I first came across D. Brown Consulting at an ATD conference. I sat in on a session that David was leading on data and measurement, and it immediately stood out. It wasn't just insightful, it was very practical. I remember thinking, this is someone who really understands how to make data usable. That initial interaction led to a partnership that's actually followed me across multiple companies and continued throughout my career. What really stood out from the beginning was their ability to take something complex and make it simple. They ask the right questions, they challenge your thinking in a productive way, and they don't just deliver what you ask for. They help you build something better than what you originally envisioned. Looking back, the impact has been very significant in a few ways. First, they help me bring real data-driven insights into executive conversations, and that ability to translate data into business decisions is critical at the leadership level. Second, they elevated my team. They've always been intentional about sharing their knowledge, not just holding on to it. They want you to learn, grow, and scale what they do. And honestly, over time, it became more than just a vendor relationship. They became trusted colleagues and friends. When I've recommended D. Brown Consulting to others, it's been a very easy decision. They consistently deliver high-quality work, they communicate well, and they show up as true partners. It never feels transactional. They've invested in the outcome, not just the deliverable. Across different organizations, the value they bring goes beyond any single project. They bring clarity and scale, and they help you make sense of complex programs and then operationalize that understanding in a way that drives real impact. As they look ahead, especially with how fast things are evolving with AI and analytics, I think there's a huge opportunity to build on their strengths. Things like more intuitive ways to interact with data, whether that's through smarter dashboards or AI-driven insights, could take what they already do incredibly well to the next level.